from the Vermont Energy Education Program, and we are about to show you our newest kit, Electricity, Renewables, and Climate. It is our biggest and most in-depth kit for middle and high school. Let's go. We're going to unpack an ERC kit right now and show you all of the great equipment inside these totes. If you are a middle or high school science teacher looking for ways to make learning about science and human impacts on the environment hands-on and meaningful for your students, then this is the kit for you. The equipment and resources in an ERC kit will help your students learn about electricity generation, renewable energy, and climate science through demonstrations, discussions, modeling, and student investigations. Together, you and your students will build a storyline to answer students' own questions, which is one of the core parts of the Next Generation Science Standards. Using real high-quality science equipment like solar panels, model wind turbines, voltmeters and multimeters, heat lamps, thermometers, flasks, a model hydropower setup, and a wide variety of light bulbs, students will build understanding on topics like where does energy come from? What's inside a wind turbine and what's the science behind how it works? What variables affect the energy output of wind, hydro, and steam generators? How can sunlight be turned into electricity? How can a model be used to show the relationship between CO2 in the atmosphere and temperature? For more information, to schedule a training, or to request a kit, visit us at veep.org/kits.